Another great comparison video is the start of 2026. Welcome to Gadget Review. This is JD. Today we will do Xiaomi 15T Pro and iPhone 17. Two of the most popular phones right now because of the value and the brand. The latest autumn flagship Xiaomi 15T Pro has triple camera setup with that Leica tuned cameras, while iPhone 17 has dual camera and really good performance on video. Obviously, you're looking for two different markets here. One is for people who wants best value out of their hard-earned money, and second is a brand that everyone knows. Also, we considered the operating system for both phones, so we updated both phones to the latest OS. We got iOS 26 on iPhone 17 and HyperOS 3 or Android 16 based operating system on Xiaomi 15T Pro. Stay until the end of this video. We will do a full breakdown of the cameras. We are starting with the audio test. We have iPhone 17 versus Xiaomi 15T Pro. It's actually a really good flagship fight. I really like Xiaomi 15T Pro with that Dimensity 9400 Plus. While we have one of the fastest processor, the Apple A19. Looking at the selfie video recording, 4K 30 FPS on Xiaomi 15T Pro and 4K 60 FPS on iPhone 17. We also have the landscape orientation on iPhone 17. As you can see, I think that's it for the quick audio and selfie video recording test. Let the battle begin. Starting our daylight test with the slow motion, we got full HD 120 FPS for both phones. Now, image quality test, starting with the ultra-wide, you will see that iPhone 17 has faster shutter speed compared to Xiaomi 15T Pro. You got motion blur on the Xiaomi phone. It's also warmer compared to the natural-looking iPhone 17. On the main sensor test, you will notice you have a more punch in iPhone 17, and there's also more details compared to the autumn flagship, but Xiaomi 15T Pro is a bit brighter compared to the competition. And on the zoom, we got 5 times optical on Xiaomi 15T Pro. You will see you got better image quality compared to the lossless crop of iPhone 17. And if you go to the farthest zoom, you got 120 times on Xiaomi 15T Pro. We also have macro capabilities on both phones. We both have video blur and cinematic on Xiaomi 15T Pro and iPhone 17. Only 1080p or Full HD on the Xiaomi phone. And we got a whopping 4K 30 FPS on iPhone 17. Doing the resolution test, we got 4K 60 FPS on iPhone 17. And this is 8K video recording on Xiaomi 15T Pro, 8K 30 FPS video recording. On portrait mode, starting with 1x, we got a brighter subject on Xiaomi 15T Pro. The face is well lit and the edge detection is also good. While we have a warmer looking iPhone 17, this is a matter of personal taste. On 2x, same tendency as 1x. I think Xiaomi is closer in reality looking at my wife's skin tone and mine. Both phones has good subject separation and edge detection. Some people might prefer the warmer looking iPhone 17. It is also softer than the stronger looking Xiaomi 15T Pro. But we do have 5x zoom on Xiaomi 15T Pro because of the optical zoom, which I like. You will see creamier background blur and the details on the face are also good. On the selfie, again, same tendency on the skin tone. I think I like the natural looking Xiaomi 15T Pro. iPhone 17 sometimes is too warm for my taste. Alright, rear camera test, daylight test, 4K 60 FPS on both phones using the ultra wide. So this is the sun shot and you can see the building here wider on iPhone 17 and brighter as well compared to the punched in and darker Xiaomi 15T Pro. Look at the sky and the details. 48 megapixel versus 12 megapixel. Let's check the autofocus test and stabilization. Now checking the main sensor, 48 megapixel 4K 60 FPS versus 50 megapixel 4K 60 FPS. Look at the details on the building. Again, the sun's flaring and the sky. Look at the colors. Which phone do you like better? Brighter on iPhone 17. Look at the out of focus area, if we can do that. This is iPhone 17 and this is Xiaomi 15T Pro. Let's check the autofocus. Warmer looking on iPhone 17, and this is the video stabilization test. Now going for the zoom, 2x. These are both digital crop on iPhone 17 and Xiaomi 15T Pro. We have 5x optical on Xiaomi 15T Pro. We can also do 5x, but only crop on iPhone 17. Look at the quality on the Xiaomi phone. And going for the 4D zoom, we got 6x on iPhone and a whopping 15x on Xiaomi 15T Pro. On night shot, starting with the selfie, we got more detailed and better focused iPhone 17. On the rear camera, starting with the ultra-wide, you got more detailed and better image quality on Xiaomi 15T Pro. There's a bit of noise and the colors are not so great on iPhone 17, although on pitch black condition, it is better exposed. While on the main sensor test, almost the same look, almost the same image quality, but if you go on pitch black condition, it's the other way around. Xiaomi 15T Pro is better exposed. And on the 5x zoom, because of the dedicated optical sensor of Xiaomi 15T Pro, it produces better image quality on night shots compared to the noisier iPhone 17. Now we're testing the selfie video recording on low light for Xiaomi 15T Pro and iPhone 17. This is what it looks like. Obviously, we can switch orientation on iPhone 17. This is the landscape orientation. We're in portrait orientation, but you can change the orientation on iPhone 17 because of the square sensors. I think that's it for the video quality on low light. Let's check the rear cameras. Now we're testing the rear camera, starting with the ultra wide. So look at the noise. Noisier on Xiaomi 15T. Looking at that building. Look at the white balance, warmer on iPhone 17. Checking the main sensor. Look at the exposure. A little bit of jitters on Xiaomi 15T while panning. And look at the control on that light. Better on iPhone 17. But we do have 5x zoom on Xiaomi 15T. And we can only do digital crop on iPhone 17. Look at the video quality on both phones. Which phone is better? Digital zoom or optical zoom? And going for the 4D zoom, 6x on iPhone 17 and 15x on Xiaomi 15T Pro. Alright, really great New Year's battle between Xiaomi 15T Pro and iPhone 17. Both flagship phones that offers really good camera performance. If you want to know the cases of both phones, we got a transparent case on Amazon and you call this Shundi for Xiaomi 15T Pro XUNDD. Alright, let's break down the camera performance of both phones, starting with iPhone 17. We got good noise cancellation on the microphone and you can switch orientation on the selfie video. We got natural looking images on iPhone 17 and faster shutter speed to capture movements better. We got more detailed main sensor, warmer looking portraits but only limited to 1x and 2x. We got more detailed main sensor on the video and also warmer, better performing front camera on night shots. And in terms of video performance, iPhone 17 has better low light quality. While on the autumn flagship Xiaomi 15T Pro, we got louder microphone and good noise cancellation with warmer selfie video. We have a warmer tone on the images, which some people might prefer, We have 5 times optical zoom that provides better and more detailed zoom. We got 8K video recording, twice the resolution of iPhone 17. Natural looking portraits with a lot of details. And we also have that 5 times optical for close-up shots. We got better stabilization on the ultra-wide and better zoom because of the 5 times optical that can reach up to 15 times. Better night shot capability on the rear camera, especially on the ultra-wide and the optical zoom. In terms of this camera performance, iPhone 17 loses on Xiaomi 15T Pro. You heard it on this channel. On my honest opinion, I think Xiaomi 15T Pro wins over iPhone 17. I think the biggest selling point of iPhone 17 is the brand, it's Apple, and also the ecosystem. But with all honesty, in terms of camera performance, I think Xiaomi 15T Pro wins this comparison video from that 8K video recording, the ultra-wide video recording, image quality. Also, the audio of this phone is really good, and low-light video recording. Again, if you're looking for bragging rights, then iPhone 17 is the phone for you. But if you like better value phone, then switch to Xiaomi 15T Pro. Yeah, I think that's it for the camera comparison video of these two phones. Do you feel the same thing? That Xiaomi 15T Pro wins over iPhone 17? Leave your comment down below, and as always, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.